Have you ever wondered how many smoke alarms or smoke detectors are needed in the typical residential dwelling? Hi, I'm Chief Joe Bruni. The number of smoke alarms or smoke detectors that are recommended for the residential dwelling are one smoke alarm or detector in every living space, including every bedroom. The only room that's not recommended to have a smoke alarm or detector is the cooking area or the kitchen area. If mounted in the cooking area or kitchen areas, many false alarms will take place due to cooking and the close proximity of the smoke alarm to the cooking surfaces. Today's fires grow fast and quickly, emitting a lot of dense, toxic black smoke. The way to ensure early detection and that every occupant escapes the house safely in a timely fashion after the start of any accidental fire is by placing a smoke alarm or detector in every living space of the house, including every bedroom. I'm Chief Joe Bruni. Stay safe.